main event. Give it up for JT and Kenny Bell.
Over the front of the bike. Was huge. Seat back, look back hard. What do with two hands right there? Double heart attack. Coming for the ball now. Third. Very high. So. Shout out that. Come for rock solid. So he went doubles around, completely let go. Back on the bike. Oh, the Super King right there. Back up, triple to triple duty today. Oh, the Super King. Just feeling it up there. He's looking for a little bit of support. Lance Russell, the crowd. There we go. Superman, look at that update, right away. Leaves the back, looking down, and over the top. The rule about 12 feet from boot to wheel. Why not throw a little in the air in that? Well, here you go. Look to the sky. If you get it, you have it. I say keep saying it all shows. We want you to love. I love it. And they could be doing what I'm doing. Yellow hill now, the offense. Oh, boy. Something special right here. From New Zealand and you guys. Whoa! Oh yeah, here we go. Here, come on! Callum Shaw, Mr. New Zealand. Next rider in, Lance Russell. But watch this, the young punch. I'm gonna be number one and tell him right now, I'm one! Oh, he's strong. That's the flying eagle right there. He's got about 6 or 9 different ways. That was your winning for sure right now. That's not normal. Look like you hit the damn door. What do you think so far? Hamilton! We gotta punch these boys up! Oh! This is the next champion! Going to the moon! Yeah, run! He launches up! Look at this! Oh, he's right now. They're going to go. Show! But nothing like what we're going to need now. Clap your hands and make some noise! Right, number one, let's go! Well, you know, problem really is if you jump off the side. Yes! Did you see he worked the whole bike right there. Literally, both feet came off. He moved it. Oh, the biggest tricks in the book. Yeah. Thank you very much, Hamilton. You made this best crowd we've had in New Zealand so far. Give a big round of applause for everyone in the... See you next year.